Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make my 2-minute no-cook pizza sauce. Pizza night is a weekly occurrence in our house, and sauce can make or break a pizza. I don't care for many of the store-bought jarred pizza sauces, so I make my own, and this is absolutely hands down our favorite. The good news is you only need these 7 ingredients, which include tomato paste and tomato sauce. Using preserved tomato products like this is the best because they're able to take the tomatoes straight from the field and put them in the can and preserve them for later use. So you don't have to have any of that unripened shipping time that really takes away from that great tomato flavor. You'll need 8 ounces of tomato sauce, which is just a tomato puree. In some countries, it's called passata. You'll also need 6 ounces of tomato paste, which is a concentrated tomato that has a lot of the liquid removed, so it has great flavor. And if you open up both ends, you can slide that right on out. Then we'll add in a teaspoon or 1 clove of minced garlic. Now, I almost always have fresh garlic on hand, but if you don't, you can use a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder instead. Then you'll add in 2 teaspoons of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and I use regular, not smoked. Then last, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And that's it. This is seriously so simple. Then you just want to stir this together. If you store this in an airtight container in the fridge, it should stay good for about 2 weeks. Okay, now I have my Italian style pizza dough ready to go. Just gonna roll that out. And we'll spread out some of the sauce right on that dough. I like to do a super light layer of sauce and go all the way to the crust with just a touch of tomato so that the crust has a lot of flavor too. Of course, we gotta add some cheese and whatever other toppings you would like. All that's left to do is slide this into the oven and then we are ready to eat. Seriously, this sauce is the best. And now that you know how easy it is, you'll be making it all the time. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe as well as a link to the recipe for my Italian style pizza dough in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.